Did you know that adding apple cider vinegar to your cat's water bowl can provide additional health benefits? In this video, we'll discuss the potential benefits of incorporating apple cider vinegar into your cat's diet, including improved digestion, reduced urinary tract infections, and increased energy levels. To start, let's talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar for cats. Apple cider vinegar is rich in vitamins and minerals that can help boost your cat's immune system, promote healthy digestion, and improve overall energy levels. It can also help prevent urinary tract infections and maintain a healthy pH balance in your cat's urine. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your cat's diet, you can add a teaspoon to their water bowl. However, it's important to introduce it gradually, as some cats may not like the taste. You can also add apple cider vinegar to your cat's food, but make sure to consult with your vet first. We hope this helps improve your cat's overall health and well-being. If you want to learn more about apple cider vinegar, read the description down below. Or watch the next video on the right.